A very cheerful morning, dear students. I hope you all are in the healthy state and must be revising all your topics carefully. Today, we are going to start a new topic, that is formal letters. So, let's see what are formal letters. Students, all letters written to the principal of a school are formal in nature. Formal letters are usually called application because in each of them the sender makes a request to be considered by principal for the following reasons. Firstly, it can be a request for granting a leave, for example, sick leave, urgent piece of work, etc. Then, application can also be written for making concession or exemption. For example, remission of fine, then listening to a complaint or considering a request. For example, change of section. Children, there is a set format for writing an application to the principal. So let's discuss. We always start writing an application with the date. Herein, you have to keep one thing in mind, that date should be written of that particular day only on which you are writing the application. After that, we will write the principal. After writing the principal, then mention the name of the school. After that, name of the city should be mentioned. Then salutation, that is respected madam, to whom we are writing the application. Then subject should be mentioned by comprising the reason for writing the application. Children, you have to write all the above discussed things on the left hand side of your notebook. Then you will write body of the letter, that is herein you will write content. You should always start writing an application by introducing yourself, by writing your name and class. Then, after giving introduction, you have to mention the reason for writing the application. Then mention the period of your leave, like for how many days you want to take leave. After that, yours obediently. Children, being a student, whenever you have to write an application to the principal, you will always write yours obediently. After that, mention your name, class and section, and then roll number. Now let's see the solved example. I'm sure the topic will be more clear to you after watching it. Write an application to the principal of your school granting you leave for 1 day as you are going out of station. Children, as we have already discussed that an application starts with the date. So, we will write today's date, that is 13th May 2020. After that, in the next line, write the principal. Then PCM Arya Model Senior Secondary School Shastri Nagar, that is name of the school. Then again in the next line, write name of the city, Ludhiana, followed by the salutation, respected madam. Then in the next line, write the subject, that is application for leave. Herein, keep it in mind that you need not to write a long sentence. Mention the reason in precise manner. Now we will start writing the body of the letter. With due respect, I want to say that I am going out of station today. Now kindly remember, you will always start writing an application with this sentence by mentioning the reason. After that, so I cannot attend the school. Kindly grant me leave for 1 day. that is 13th May 2020. Now again you will mention the date here. Thanking you, yours obediently. After that you will write your name, class and section and roll number. I'm sure that now all of you can write any application on your own by following the discussed format. Thank you. Stay safe, stay healthy.